Hey girlfriend, welcome or welcome back. My name is Levion. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go. So in today's video, I'm sharing some more of my home decor updates. I did purchase some new side tables for my dining room, so I'll be sharing with you that. But for right now, I am just refreshing my entryway. It was screaming just for some TLC. I'll be styling my entryway table with just a few coffee table books, a lamp for some lighting, and just a few other decor pieces. I will add in like a little bowl for where we keep our keys in, and just keeping it super simple but yet really nice. So this portion of the video is sponsored by iLife. They sent me their V80 Max Mop 2-in-1 robot vacuum, y'all. So I have been dying to get my hands on one of these. So I was so pressed to actually get one and just try it out. So this iLife robot vacuum comes with a couple of goodies, and this little thing has so many cool features. It comes with a floating tangle-free suction nozzle, an extra large dustbin so you don't have to empty it after each cleaning, the water volume adjustment. It effectively removes the dust and stains with the perfect water volume while mopping. So before I put my vacuum to use, I did go along and just read through the owner's manual just to kind of get myself familiar with on how to use it, since I have never used a robot vacuum before. Love that it has an auto recharge feature. The vacuum mop automatically returns to the charging dock when the battery power gets low, and it has like a home button, so like if you're ready for it to like just go back to the charging dock, it will just go back to the charging dock like on its own, which is super cool. On the inside, I'm just showing you like the little brush. This is the dustbin. It's easily to remove, and it also comes with like another little bin where you can just like put your water in when you are mopping. It easily comes out. Just getting yourself familiar with it was the only thing, but once you kind of like read the directions and kind of like just played with it a little bit, it was so easy to use. So this is the little mop attachment that it comes with, and it's so easy to put on. You just kind of like clip it on the bottom of it, and it also has that water filter. It does show you like how much water to put in and how to put it in there, so you kind of like knowing exactly what you're doing. Those little orange stickers there are like little scanners where you can kind of like download the app, and it does allow you to set a customizable schedule so you can get cleaning done more often and efficiently. Of course, we had to put it to the test, y'all. Rocky was just not feeling this. He didn't know what was going on and moving around on the floor. But this was the first test run, and it was kind of like learning the area. The robot vacuum has an anti-collision and an anti-dropping feature with a full set of advanced sensors. The V80 Max mop effectively avoids obstacles and accidental drops. I felt like once it learned like the area and like where all of the furniture and everything was, it did a really good job with like maneuvering around in the living room and also in the dining room too. I kind of had to go in there as well. Also did a really good job with like vacuuming. Like at the end of the session, it returned back to its little charging dock, which was super cool, and it vacuumed up the floor really well. As you can see, it's kind of like learning the coffee table. I thought this was so cool because it kind of like maneuvered underneath of the little bar there, and it was doing so well. Like I really was having a really good time just enjoying it do its own without me having to actually vacuum the living room. If you ever wanted to just give the iRobot a try, I would definitely recommend the iRobot mop 2-in-1. So you get 2-in-1. It vacuums and it mops from iLife. I will have a special link, discount code in the description box for anyone who is interested. Definitely check them out. Like, look how cool this is. I'm showing it like returned back to its charging dock. So cool. Moving on to my dining room, I am obsessed with this space right now. So I did want to get like a Credenza for like the longest time, but one, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. I feel like I do want to keep to like some sort of budget. Some things I do splurge on, and other things I feel like I kind of like get away with. I've been having these two side tables in my car. They're from Target for like a long time. At first I was going to get the black ones, but I felt like that brown was just going to hit different. Okay. I decided to get two, and I placed them together to make one. And y'all just check this out though. Check it out. I love it. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. I love like the little wicker cabinet drawers. Y'all, I told myself I was not going to buy any furniture that I had to put together, but these were fairly easy to put together, so you know they get a pass. In this cabinet, I did kind of have like my liquors and stuff like that. I made like a little bar cabinet. I'm a social drinker. I don't really drink that much, but when we do have company, I like to have a little, you know, libations and everything going along. We like to entertain. So I placed all of my cocktail drinks and my margarita glasses and shot glasses in that one. I styled it up really simple. I placed this marble tray with a nice candle and my little wig trimmer on that side, and then I have my little vase from CB2 on that side, and I placed this little greenery branch on that side. I feel like I need one more, but I do like the simplicity of just having one to make it look like just one long credenza. I did place a coffee table book just in the middle, and I placed this black pedestal bowl in the middle as well. Y'all, check out this lamp though. I found it at HomeSense, and this baby was so nice. It was pretty pricey, but affordable. It was a Ralph Lauren lamp, y'all. I did try to link this lamp. I went on the Ralph Lauren website, and I wasn't even gonna play with y'all. Like, the prices were ridiculous. So definitely check out your local HomeSense, Home Goods for some good affordable lamps. And over on this cabinet, I did place like some overflow of my plates, my water carafe, the extra bowl, my wine decanter, like some little odds and ends that I wanted to just kind of place and store away. And then I had this picture. I just kind of raised it up a little bit, but y'all, check that out though. Like, how nice does it look? Like, y'all wouldn't even be able to tell that it's like two side tables, right? Maybe so, but I think it looks really nice. So right here, I'm just showing y'all my little linen throw. I love to like sit in my dining room and like cover up. Like, me and my husband, we talk in the dining room sometimes when it gets cold. So I always have this little linen blanket for me to like cover up in. My dining chairs, y'all, I'm still in the market for some daggone dining chairs. I can't stand with these, but they're making it work and do what it do for right now. This plant I have to get rid of. Like, I'm about to sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Like, it's just not doing it, but it's been doing the job, you know, adding in some greenery. I found this planter from Lowe's. It's an outdoor planter, but you know, we're gonna bring it on inside just for a more, you know, nice natural look and feel. I love this thing, y'all. It's really nice. Yeah, so like, check this out though. I am so excited about how this came out. I did an Instagram reel on how I styled it, so go ahead and check that out as well. But yes, loving it. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below. Leave me some thumbs up, leave me some comments, and girl, if you aren't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.